Hey guys, it's Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today's video is going to be another headband wig unboxing, first reviews, all of that. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, so disclaimer, this video is not sponsored in any way. I've never reached out to LuvMe Hair. They've never reached out to me. I was not sent this wig. I am not being paid to review this wig, but I really wanted another headband wig. If you're new to my channel, you may or may not have seen my previous headband wig review. It was a 20-inch water wave wig. So a little different than this one. You'll see this one in a second, but from a different company. I'll link that video down below if you're interested. But this wig, as I said, is from LuvMe Hair. I've been wanting to get a headband wig from this company for a minute. I've been waiting to open this all day, so I'm very excited. I lied, I already opened it, but I haven't seen the wig yet. All right, so when you open the box, it comes like this, very cute paper. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LuvMe Hair. Very cute, Helena, we love it. I already know what's in the box, but what I've noticed is that there's a lot more included in this than was included in my last headband wig package. So of course you get the wig, which we will open up here in a second. Beautiful, beautiful, yes. We also have some headbands. This looks 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like about 5, which makes sense. About 5 headbands, which is great because with the last wig, I only got 2 and I had to buy my own. And it also comes with this little kit. Let's open this up. This little zipper kit. Looks like we got some bobby pins. Probably about 10 in there. A LuvMe clip, very cute. We get the, this looks like an adjustable band that I could sew to the wig if I wanted to, which is very nice of them. Ooh, some tweezers. I guess if I had bought a lace wig, you could adjust the lace in the front. Not adjust, pluck the hairline, my bad. A little edge brush. Nice, with a little comb in. They thought of everything. What else? A scarf. Yes, to lay the edges down. Wow. Yeah, that's about it. So let's put everything back in this bag because I already laid my edges down ahead of time. I know I said I opened the package, but I didn't know all this was in here. Otherwise, I would have done it on camera. So that is very handy. And I'll let you guys know, I paid $143 for this wig, this kit, and these headbands. I did have like a 20% off code that I found on Google. So if you want to purchase a wig from LuvMe Hair, Google a code and see if it works, because mine did. All right, so for the long awaited reveal, let's open the wig. Comes in this beautiful little wig bag. So this is their Jerry Curl wig in 18 inches. Let's put this on. This wig has the 3 combs in the front. 1, 2, 3, and the 1 comb in the back. I think that's pretty standard for the headband wigs. And then of course the Velcro strap in the back. So, ooh, I'm nervous because the wig cap looks small. Your girl got a big head. Okay, the hair is very soft. I'm excited. The texture is a lot tighter than my last wig, so that'll be a change of pace for me. So let's go ahead and put this on. I forgot to mention it also comes with a wig cap, which I'm going to wear. I usually don't wear wig caps. I'm gonna try this out though, just because I've been wearing my headband wigs a lot lately because I'm trying to grow my hair out. And what I notice is that the ponytail, the bun, the braid, whatever I do for my natural hair, it's just out and exposed to the wig. And I would like to try to protect that. So comes with 2. I'm just gonna put on 1. And just put that on my head. Bam, just like that, just like so. So now I'm gonna put this wig on. I'm not gonna talk through it because I'll get distracted. Okay. Let's Velcro this in place. Hold on, push it back some. Okay, now I'm really trying I'm trying not to get the hair stuck in the Velcro, but I want to fasten this in the back. Ooh, yes. I love how secure it feels already. Okay, so the wig is on. Now let's get some water on this and start to comb it out because I look like a Raggedy Ann doll right now. So let me get my spray bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna just start by spraying it with some water. I'll do one side at a time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna run my fingers through it, sections at a time. I should go get a brush because this is gonna take a while with my fingers. I'm gonna use a brush for this and see how this works. I feel like my name is Kelly Rowland, child. Yes, okay. So spray it a little more with this water. I love this wig so much. I wish I would have got my first headband wig from here. It feels, this is so nice. Let me just. I need to get it more wet than this. That's a lot of questions. What's the. So, I hope I'm not jacking my wig up. It did tell me not to comb it, but you know what? I just wanted to have some more naturalness to it, so I think it'll be okay if I just comb it a little bit. Be gentle, be gentle. You gotta remember that this is not your hair. You know what I'm saying? So like, it won't grow back. I can already see some shedding. I need to chill out. I need to chill out. But already, this is looking so much better on the left than it is on the right. So I'm gonna do the same thing over there. Those little shed pieces, it'll be okay. You know? Okay. Okay, so let's work on the other side. It's very Diana Ross-esque. Like, I love this. I have a Halloween costume idea. I'm gonna finger comb on this side to see if there's a difference. Should have finger combed on both sides. I was impatient. Okay, so initial thoughts while I'm trying to get this right side to act right. It's a lot longer than I expected. Let me stand up on this tub. So as you can see, this is 18 inches. It goes all the way to almost my mid back. And then when stretched, it goes all the way down here. So I am 5'7", and this is what the hair looks like on me. So that's that. And I noticed that, you know, I knew better than to put a brush to this hair. I should not have done that. I'm just trying to get it look a little less wiggy, for lack of better words, and look like, even though we all know it's not coming out of my scalp, I want it to still look like that. So let's flip it. Okay. So this is the hair down. I'm gonna try to get this back too. This back is still very perfect looking. We want it to be a little more natural looking. So let's just work some fingers through there. So I'm gonna try to style it. Let me put one of these headbands on. So the headbands, this is kind of funny because all these wigs come with the same headband. So if you see me in this headband, you're gonna know she has the headband wig from LuvMe hair, but it's okay. So we have this floral one. We have one in hot pink. Very check up on it, yes. Beige, love it, for my little work calls. Leopard, and then camo. I love all of these. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but which one am I gonna wear? Let's use the basic one. I feel like everybody chooses the floral one. Okay, put this on. Oh. So one struggle I used to have with my headband wig that my old one, was that all my headbands were super skinny. So I could never fully cover, the black band on the wig. So I love that with these, I can. Very cute. So this is more of a middle part look. I could flip it to the side and do a little too much. Do a little side part action. Let me go get a ponytail to see what the bun style is gonna look. I love this. Okay, y'all, so I was letting the wig dry. I went outside, took a couple pictures, took a couple videos. Y'all know I be dancing. But now I want to see what this hair looks like style. Oh! Okay, I thought that was something important. It was just a water bottle. Okay. So I have this headband. It's a goodie headband. I'll use this because this hair looks to be pretty thick. My phone died. All right. We're gonna do a ponytail first, like a high one. Let's go upside down. Okay. This would be cute with like a bang. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna have a ball with this. So I'll just wrap this around once. Very cute, very cute. I really like this wig and the versatility. You're gonna fluff it up. I'm not gonna take a pic to it because it's not, you know, it's not my hair. It's not gonna really snap back. So here's one style. This pose for the thumbnail. Now, second style we could do is a bun. Let's take the same high ponytail and do this again, but only pull it halfway through. There we go. That's cute too. Oh, that's a seam. Oh no, it's not, it's fine, okay. Let's take it down and do a half up, half down style. So just take some hair from each side, and we'll make this a little ponytail. So what I'll do is take this, wrap that around twice, okay, half up, half down. Is this what it's like to have long natural hair? I'm excited. Okay, I could also do a low ponytail. Could wrap once around like this. I love that style. This is definitely a Zoom call style. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for prioritizing this meeting. I know that everyone has very busy calendar. Come on, corporate. Yes. Okay. So I can get another headband. Oh, I got an idea. This is not scalp, so I'm not gonna part it. I'm just gonna split it in two. And do like some Jasmine Dubois buns. If you don't know that reference, get your life together, but that's a Boondocks reference. You could do that. Yeah! I love this wig! I mean, there's a lot of different ponytail, up-down styles you could do. And then of course, be careful. You could wear it just down, like it is. It looks very good like this. It looks even better dry than it did while it was wet. I love it so much, bro. Like, I'm about to abuse this wig, wear it all the time. I could flip it to the side and it looks like a very natural-ish side part. Well, yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know down below what you guys think. If you want to see a video on how I'm going to be maintaining this hair, because eventually I'm going to wash it. The texture, let's get up close real quick. The texture, the curl pattern, very natural looking, right? Like, I know my hair is short, but if y'all didn't know my hair was blonde and y'all didn't know my hair was short, you might think this is my hair. You might. You gonna tell me it's not? You gonna tell me it's not? Well, yeah, I'm really excited about the versatility of this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot and lets me know that you did like the video. And if you haven't already and you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and you might as well hit the bell so that you know when I make new videos. And if you guys would like to keep up with me in day-to-day life, I'm on Instagram at _JAYBYDAY_J by day. That's me. And that's all I have for today's video, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.